For years, Huawei and Porsche Design partnered on special edition Mate series phones. But that partnership ended with the Mate50 RS Porsche Design last year. I've already created a video about it, which has garnered more than 19,000 views on my channel. Check it out if you're interested. I'm not sure if it's my responsibility that ended the partnership because that video hasn't reached 1 million views. Anyway, here is the newly released Mate60 Ultimate design. And today, let's dive into this dramatic phone. So, this is the packaging for the phone. With exactly the same black vibe as its predecessor, we can see the text Huawei Mate60 RS Ultimate design, just without Porsche. When we open the box, the first thing we see is the phone, which we'll take a close look at later. Underneath, we have all the accessories just lying there. To be honest, in exactly the same layout as the Mate50 RS. There's a pair of earphones, and if we look closely, they are wired. It seemed to be bizarre at first, but then I realized that rich people always wear wired earphones, don't they? Next, we have the 88 watts car charger. Please note that it has 3 ports, 2 Type A, one with an 88 watts max output, and one with a 30 watts max output, along with 1 Type C port. Then we have a regular 88 watts wall charger. To my surprise, they also included 2 Type C to Type C cables. Even the cables are double for rich people, I guess. Moving on, there's a phone case. So for this red phone, it comes with a red case, and black is for the black version. But if you try the opposite phone case, nothing could be weirder. Lastly, there's the pen and some paperwork that you are never going to read. Now let's move on to the phone. Regarding the design, I believe everyone will be immediately captivated by this dramatic back design. Oh my gosh, it features a ceramic back and an octagon-shaped camera island. Just take a look. For this, it looks similar to the standard Mate60 Pro series. I put them side by side so you can see the design comparison. For the Ultimate design, they offer 2 colors to choose from, red and black, both with dual-tone finishes. Which one do you think would be more suitable for my successful business subscribers like you? Leave in the comments below. I believe that whenever you put this phone out in front of people, they'll think you're rich. Yes, Huawei also provides exclusive 1-year privileges for Mate60 RS Ultimate design owners who apply for Huawei card. These privileges include VIP lounge service at airport, flight delay insurance, lawyer consultations, and even equestrian license. What the fuck is that? Let me check. Okay, equestrian license. Oh, it's that. Fuck rich people. Among others. Huawei is also selling exclusive star diamond protective cases in black and red, which cover the front and back of the Mate60 RS Ultimate. And do you know how much that is? It's currently selling for 1,909 RMB, which is around $270. That's crazy! It's even more expensive than some of the Redmi Note 13 series phones, which I've just done videos on. Be sure to check them out. The Mate60 RS Ultimate Edition shares identical specifications with the Mate60 Pro Plus. It features a 6.82-inch LTPO OLED display, Crane 9000S chipset, a 5000 mAh battery, and a camera setup consisting of a 48 megapixel main camera, a 48 megapixel super micro camera, and a 40 megapixel ultra wide camera. If you are interested, I've included some photo and video samples for you to check out.
$4K 60 FPS, alright. Because I cannot take it off. So as you can see, 4 times. Wow! So it's supposed to be 4 times, 10 times. Wow, still very clear, right? Now let's go to ultra wide. Wow! To check out the wild lens. Crazy. This is the Huawei shop. You can have to be aware that you don't put your finger like there. Okay. Okay, this is the Mate.
In terms of hardware, there are essentially no significant differences from the Mate60 Pro series. I've extensively tested and provided an in-depth review of it in my previous video, so feel free to watch if you want to learn more. Now let's talk about the price. The Huawei Mate60R's ultimate design is priced at 1,614 won for the 16/512 gigs version and 1,778 for the 16 gigs of RAM and 1 TB storage version. Open sales in China will begin on September 28th. This is indeed a super expensive phone, and what's interesting is that it can be quite challenging to purchase even if you have the money. Currently, I've checked their pre-orders and there are more than 2 million people interested, which is truly mind-blowing. It's somewhat frustrating for me, considering I cannot even get 200 people to watch my previous AR glasses video, which I put tremendous effort into. Currently, I'm also reviewing a laser engraver machine, which has taken even more of my time. And it can be disheartening when not many people watch it. I kind of go nuts here. If no one is watching, I might start crying. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. See you in the next one. Bye bye.